This is the homework video for Monday, 3/13/17, and you're doing problem number 1, and you also need to tell what the slope and the y-intercept mean in this situation with waiting at a restaurant and staff members. So the first question asks, how many staff are there when the actual wait time and the predicted wait time is closest? You could use the graph or the table to figure this out, but since the table is a lot easier to read, I'm using the table, and all I did is just went down here really quick and looked at the difference between the actual wait time and the predicted. So for instance here it's showing that you waited 1 minute longer than the predicted time. Here you waited an eighth of a minute less than the predicted time, and so on. And the one that had the closest was the one that was 0.2 difference. So they predicted you'd wait for 6.8 minutes, but you actually waited for 7 minutes or 0.2 longer. So that's really, really close. And that's when they had 7 staff. On the next question, they're asking you how many staff when there was the biggest difference between the actual and the predicted wait time, and the answer is 8. And when there was 8, they predicted that you'd wait for 5.2 minutes, but you actually waited for 7 minutes. And the first secret message is that, interestingly enough, there's 8 staff on scheduled at that time, and there's another time when there's 8 staff scheduled, and I'd like you to circle it, where, interestingly enough, the wait time in minutes is 4 when the predicted is 5.2, so you actually wait less than for that same amount of staff. So it's kind of interesting that on one of the 8s you wait longer, and on one of the 8s you wait less time. Okay, moving on. Okay, so now you're supposed to tell me what the slope and the y-intercept mean, and the second secret message is that every number and every variable needs to be labeled just like I did. And so the slope is -1.6, and it means that as the staff members increase by 1, your wait time decreases by 1.6 minutes. And the y-intercept is 18, and it means that at 0 staff the wait time is 18 minutes, because probably you just get tired and go some other restaurant. Less than 3 minutes. Have a great night.